Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, the 4th of February, and we started week 4. And I just wanted to make sure everybody was okay on what was due this week. There is no quiz this week. There is a discussion activity. There is a practice exam, and you'll note it counts for 0 points. You get 3 attempts at this practice exam, and I highly recommend you take it at least twice to be very prepared for the regular exam. When you click on exam 1, you'll notice that you are told you have a 2-hour time limit. All your work has to be your own. You may have no other browsers open during the exam except for Excel. There is a password. It's like the word warm, but an ampersand and then a lowercase r. Don't enter it until you're ready. You do only have 1 attempt on the exam. And I wish you luck, and please let me know if you have any questions as you're studying this week.